Welcome back to another M&S Food Fresh Market update. Chris and I are here at Tuesley Farm with these freshly picked Sapphire Raspberries. Chris, what's on the menu today?
It's a favourite of mine. It's a Raspberry Frozen Yoghurt.
Lovely.
3 ingredients, raspberries, some low-fat Greek yoghurt and a little bit of honey. Just pour all the yoghurt into a bowl.
Okay.
I'm just going to lightly mash them with a fork. And there's so much natural sweetness. I'm just going to add the tiniest drizzle of honey for anything, more for flavour rather than extra sweetness. And raspberries count towards one of your 5 a day. Carefully ripple it through so you've still got the nice chunks of the raspberry in there.
There we go.
So simple. Pop that in the freezer, and it's a great alternative to ice cream. I like to save a few Sapphire raspberries back just to scatter over the top because the texture's fantastic.
It looks amazing. Shall we see what the others think?
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go, guys.
Enjoy! Join us next week in Kent for another M&S Food Fresh Market update, where we'll be learning all about their Red Diamond strawberries.